we'll guide you through how to manage Namecheap DNS records. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Namecheap's website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the Manage button next to the domain you wish to modify. This will take you to the Domain Management page. Here, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Advanced DNS tab to open the DNS Management area. In this section, you can view and edit your DNS records. To add a new record, click on the ADV New Record button. You'll need to select the type of record you're adding, such as A, CNAME, MX, or TXT, from the drop-down menu. Enter the necessary details for the record, like the host name and the IP address or URL it should point to. For example, if you're adding an A record, you'll enter the host, often @ for the root domain, and the IP address you want it to resolve to. Once you've entered the details, click Save All Changes to apply them. If you need to edit an existing record, simply click on the pencil icon next to the record you want to modify, make your changes, and then click the green checkmark to save. To delete a record, click the trash can icon next to it. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries to ensure everything is correct. And that's it. You've successfully managed your DNS records on Namecheap. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.